Okay, so I've defined your role as that of a builder, and you're a planner, you're a doer, and there's a network that you've built, and there's a network that you've got some planning and some future plans. And so now maybe these future plans are ready to be realized. You're going to put the thing that you've been planning into place on this network that you've built. What is that role? That's the role of a maintainer. You are doing some maintenance to the network. Well, how do you properly perform a network maintenance? A network maintenance event is the result of a lot of planning, a lot of research, a lot of thinking, some lab work, hopefully, so that you understand when you begin that network maintenance that you understand exactly what's going to happen to the network as you make changes. Maybe you need to add a new circuit to the network. Maybe you bring a new router online. Maybe you need to change your spanning tree because there's a new switch that's going to become the new spanning tree root bridge. Maybe you're standing up something like an ether channel, just straightforward with LACP. Okay, all of those sorts of things are network events. They're introducing a change to the network topology. Do you understand when you change the network topology what the impact is to the rest of the network? As a network engineer performing maintenance, your job is to understand all of those things deeply so that when you run that maintenance, you do that work that was planned for that maintenance window, it goes smoothly and as predicted. So yet another part of your job as a network engineer is that of a maintainer. I don't mean maintainer like caretaker. I mean maintainer like you're needing to make changes pretty regularly to the network. It's not a static thing. There are improvements you're going to need to make, and then there are changes that you're going to need to make to support the business. The business is going to need you to do whatever it is, and you can't just say, oh, we can't do that. The network doesn't do that. No. You're going to maintain the network to make it do that. And when you do it, you need to minimize the impact to the business, which is why I say it's your job as the network maintainer executing a network maintenance window to understand deeply exactly what's going to happen as you make the changes during that window.